Well, this is the big final. Pakistan taking on Kuwait. Kuwait has been outstanding in the competition right from ball one. It was the season opener, Kuwait versus Pakistan, and Kuwait very nearly won that game. It starts off with the wide as I welcome Michael Clark as well as Fawaz Maroof.
Hello, boys.
Yeah, it is gripping, but too far outside the off stump.
How do they go against the spin like that? But on this occasion, it's out of the middle. Goes a long way.
Against the turn, and Samad, he's been business.
Looks nicely bowled, gets away with that. Yeah, there's no doubt there'll be
That was in the slot and dispatched. What some real power there on that occasion.
A safe.
Has been the game plan so far, but the outside edge will also run away to the fence. It's been a good start for Pakistan. 20 from the 5 deliveries.
find that area.
No look, down on one knee. Finishes the over in style. Big over, great start. 20. Not quite timed. Got a big score, minimum 135, especially after that start, and beautifully placed on that occasion. Back of the length, through the offside for 4.
Smart times it beautifully.
Short and begging to be hit. But how costly would that be? What? That's his man, clean ball, that's better. You miss and I hit.
Yeah, needed that, Kuwait, big wicket. Just had him dropped it deep mid-wicket on this occasion. He goes straight at the pegs, no turn, slides on with the arm, bangs into this.
Starts with a bang, 6. Just loves that angle and the put in favour of Abbas Afridi. Very nearly got his man, but goes for another flat 6, 45 for 1. Down the leg side, just a little tickle. Starts this over with a boundary, does Samad. In the slot. Easy pickings for Samad. Real easy.
Refreshing all our memories, Nikhil Chopra, Michael Clark.
Does that work in favour? Hang on. This is good batting, great start.
Change the angle, but the timing.
Have a look at, you feel that a bit nervy. One effort. We've seen that right.
Feel that mid-on missed out.
Finds the middle of the bat.
He's not messing about at all. That's when you know you're in terrific form.
Just waited on it, straight, powerful striking. Just too much off stump and down on one knee. Same result, back-to-back 6s. Samad, every single time he's looked to play a back house here. You know, just to remind, in the competition, the first game.
I think Nikhil, you're spot on. Pakistani crowd, they are done.
I don't think he wanted to take this in.
That's what making it easy.
Middle of the bat, but Abbas a free bat. Go for a boundary.
And he's bowling a length that the batters want.
Oh, the Hong Kong 6s. Once again in the slot. Easy. Partnership of 62 and Abbas. 60.
The circumstances, 19 is very reverse ball. Samad, rightly so. Big wicket.
Shahid Aziz, the new man for the Kuwait side.
It's a brilliant angle in towards the stump.
Distance, not really. Be the over that changes fortune.
Feel at long off at the presence by Bowser. Under pressure. Aziz, 95 for 3.
What an over this is. 2 wickets.
Well, we talk about the innings that wins you a game.
Pakistan needed a boundary also.
Not committing to the front foot. Bowser has bowled well in this over. 101 for 3. We have a game in hand.
To be hit. Finishes the over. One of game on, you don't want to be chasing two with the boundary. Abbas Afridi.
Abbas Afridi was a cut shot, or you go full.
Massive six. Let's go.
Joins me, who's a co-founder, and we have to just mention that these boys at Kuwait are playing. It's just
or accepting them white is being right. Amazing. I'm still enjoy it, the vibe.
what everyone just watches at home for us to enjoy.
Right here, Abhishek is over here. Such a beautiful broadcast. Amazing. Thank you so very much.
Thank you. Finished his half century. Big over this, the last over 20 Kuwait. It's a big, tall.
What a start from Pakistan. An absolute superstar.
They got some treatment, all of them.
Can Kuwait get that?
Real good start to challenge this score. Pakistan played really good cricket throughout the tournament. One game they've lost against India, which was rained off with the help of Duckworth Lewis. India
batted first and put a huge total this season. It's under pressure.
Boundary on the offside, pace of the blade. That's on that. It's a short boundary, but it went
Those are six. Oh, now
it was more than previously. It was wet.
Australia as well in that. Should sail for another six.
Again, slow delivery. Hammered it away for 6. 3 deliveries remaining.
Always gone with ball for height. He's trying to Yorkers.
And that's what happened again. It's just pleading.
And I think of this one, I think waist height, absolutely. He's got a point.
That's what they've been doing. First, outstanding case. 32 without.
Champions Pakistan, they haven't, and they can all soon change round. Pakistan, not a boundary.
Second one was top edge gone for 6, and how good was first over? That's striking at 5.
Fantastic. This is
Yes, the first with a good over. So things can change.
on its head. It has again.
Very, very simple. Did nice and played beautifully. Gone.
Fantastic start. No time. This is
The ball to come at him. Yeah, what a players who can.
Dad. Look at this.
I feel, and he's got nicely right on. Beautiful delivery.
When it doesn't, it goes from. You'd have to say yes.
Lucky, you do.
Going round the wicket, it seems to have scrapped
Up a wicket with the beauty all around. That's what she's asking.
well. 3 hits, balls. It's now back with
Completely. Was not getting the line, and free stays. Long goal, and had the and fetched the boundary.
Could have left it. Run, and Ian runs from it so far. So
Deliveries were outstanding. That's what Pakistan have done.
is where Kuwait find themselves. Enough of it starts well. Another maximum.
In the previous game, in a finale, pushing it across.
How do you do that?
Look, seam on the ball. So if you present sideways,
Taken.
beautiful. He had Sun gone for 6, 55.
before. All of a sudden now,
The crucial bit, your partner. Things on that.
with the ball in hand. That's a free hit taken. And they win the Hong Kong 6.
When it comes to catching, batting is being into gold. Is being Rajiv.
Pakistan are on. Whack up.
Feel that they're in control now. Where they're fielding
High. Going to go for a maximum.
3 days. The bowlers to survive. Favourites.
The top of the helmet, like it. Like that.
Only one who's done it in the past. Pace, and he uses that out the tournament. 10 of the overs.
So as a bowler,
Sneak in couple of not a bit too much from this.
got to get 14 from that over from. What Pakistan did to them, but they've got to keep thinking that whatever.
And decided to go. It didn't bounce. But the Pakistan fetched another wicket.
Joss is happy. He's 75 for 4. Absolutely. Are on the verge.
His ball, nice. Keep it simple, keep it straight.
The game, but they didn't. Having lost out last year.